Ah, I need to take my makeup off. Ah, I need to take my makeup off. My eyes look so dark today. My eyes look so dark today. Hold on. I'm putting on mascara. Hold on. I'm putting on mascara. Wow, the sun's blinding. Wow, the sun's blinding. I'm gonna put on an eye mask tonight. I'm gonna put on an eye mask tonight. I love reading books at night. I love reading books at night. Don't forget your scarf. It's windy. Don't forget your scarf. It's windy. Ouch. I scratched my arm. Ouch. I scratched my arm. She's getting gray hair already. She's getting gray hair already. My heart's racing right now. My heart's racing right now. She is picking tomatoes in the garden. She is picking tomatoes in the garden. Don't forget sunscreen. It's hot. Don't forget sunscreen. It's hot. She is worried about bad breath. She is worried about bad breath. My teeth kind of stick out. My teeth kind of stick out. She's filling in her eyebrows. She's filling in her eyebrows. My armpit hair is growing back. My armpit hair is growing back. I got stretch marks after pregnancy. I got stretch marks after pregnancy. My pores are huge. My pores are huge. Ugh, these socks stink. Ugh, these socks stink. He wipes sweat off his cheeks. He wipes sweat off his cheeks. Ugh, I've got such a headache. Ugh, I've got such a headache. She sprayed on some perfume. She sprayed on some perfume. Drink some water, you'll feel better. Drink some water, you'll feel better. I can't stop eating chocolate. I can't stop eating chocolate. He sometimes has seizures, poor guy. He sometimes has seizures. Poor guy. I love sipping tea in the afternoon. I love sipping tea in the afternoon. My skin's super oily. My skin's super oily. She's giving her face a massage. She's giving her face a massage. I've got combination skin. I've got combination skin. My skin's starting to sag. My skin's starting to sag. My skin gets so dry in winter. My skin gets so dry in winter. He passed out and went unconscious. He passed out and went unconscious. I always get muscle cramps after a run. I always get muscle cramps after a run. My head's itchy. Must be dandruff. My head's itchy. Must be dandruff. She hugged her crying teen daughter. She hugged her crying teen daughter. She's losing so much hair. She's losing so much hair. I'm allergic to flowers. I'm allergic to flowers. I do yoga every morning. I do yoga every morning. She screamed so loud. She screamed so loud. She's trying on glasses right now. She's trying on glasses right now. I just want to lie down on my bed. I just want to lie down on my bed. Ugh, my tooth is killing me. Ugh, my tooth is killing me. My throat's sore. My throat's sore. She had a heart attack last year. She had a heart attack last year. I'm allergic to dogs. I'm allergic to dogs. I love fresh orange juice. I love fresh orange juice. I just grabbed a new skateboard. I just grabbed a new skateboard. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. I'm hanging out with my bestie. I'm hanging out with my bestie. She set a dove free. She set a dove free. I meditate every night. I meditate every night. Ugh, I feel like throwing up. Ugh, I feel like throwing up. My back's killing me. My back's killing me. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating.
Dang, I got a bad grade. Dang, I got a bad grade. I had a leg cramp last night. I had a leg cramp last night. My eyes are red and itchy. My eyes are red and itchy. She keeps criticizing people. She keeps criticizing people. This phone's got Face ID. This phone's got Face ID. She's learning sign language. She's learning sign language. The doctor drew some blood. The doctor drew some blood. He's dealing with memory loss. He's dealing with memory loss. Let's check the weather. Let's check the weather. Don't stick your fingers in the socket. Don't stick your fingers in the socket. She's taking self-defense classes. She's taking self-defense classes. She's counting her cash. She's counting her cash. I'm broke. I'm broke. I've saved up a bunch. I've saved up a bunch. He scratched his head. He scratched his head. I've got a rash on my hand. I've got a rash on my hand. He sprayed bug spray. He sprayed bug spray. I choked on my food. I choked on my food. Let's hit the beach. Let's hit the beach. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. He's practicing the violin. He's practicing the violin.